Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start with the data range selected. This saves time and avoids scope mistakes. Once selected, open Format, then Conditional Formatting, the rule editor appears on the right. Make sure to choose the rule type next. Single color for one condition, color scale for gradients. You should also decide whether headers are included so your formulas reference the correct row. If your values are numbers, switch the format to number to avoid string comparisons. This prevents unexpected matches. Now build the rule itself. Choose a preset condition like greater than or text contains, or select custom formula is when you need logic across columns. Once done, enter a value or formula. Make sure to use $ for absolute references when comparing to a fixed cell and relative refs for row-by-row checks. Then pick the formatting style, background, text color, bold, and press Done. Finally, use Apply to Range to confirm scope and preview on a handful of rows. Finish by reviewing and ordering your rules. Multiple rules can overlap, so drag to reorder or use Stop if true behavior. Once satisfied, test with sample edits and watch live updates. If results look wrong, make sure cell types match your rule, numbers should be number, dates is date, because mismatched types break comparisons. Also inspect custom formulas for correct use of $ and row anchors. If nothing updates, refresh the sheet and reopen the editor to confirm rule scope.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.